Hello, I'm Peter Strauss. I teach at Columbia Law School, and I'm the author of Legal Methods, Understanding and Using Cases and Statutes. This is a book that's been in the Columbia curriculum since the mid-40s. I began teaching it late in the 1970s, and over time I thought the materials needed updating. And about the same time, I read Grant Gilmore's wonderful book on the ages of American law, and that provided the spine for the updating that I did. The thing I'm most proud about in the book are the two statutory units that start simply with reading a statute and having a problem to deal with in relationship to that statute, then the next day getting some legislative materials, then the next day getting to a case where the statute has been dealt with. And I think that what this does is put students into the role that they will have as lawyers, advisors, counselors, when they have to read, even litigators, when they have to read statutes before any judge gets to them. Updating the book from time to time, I've tried always to keep it current with where the Supreme Court and particularly statutory interpretation is these days. So in the most recent edition ends with 3 cases from recent times in the Supreme Court, all of which sum up in a way the earlier substantive material in the book on product liability and on the reimbursement of expert witness fees. The book is organized around Grant Gilmore's Ages of American Law, and it has constantly been organized that way. So one continues to start in the middle of the 19th century and move forward to current days in the 21st. Some of the cases have been changed. There's more emphasis on recent statutory interpretation materials and a bit less on past statutory interpretation styles. But basically the framework is the same. It shouldn't be at all hard to switch. It's a slim teacher's manual, but it's full of stuff that I use in class, visuals that I project up overhead, and suggestions for how you might handle the materials in a classroom setting. What I love is the energy of the students, particularly in this course. I find I learn things from them every time that I teach the course, and I get enormous satisfaction out of starting them on their way into a successful law school career.